Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ssusmita. Today I am going to share a review of the product Pantene Pro V Oil Replacement Hair that I have been using for 1 month only of previous year, then I stopped using this. Before starting the review video of this product, I would like to describe my hair types and hair condition. You can see my hair is very thick and long that becomes frizzy and unmanageable after the first day wash of my hair. A good quality of hair cream and conditioner is a must-use product in our hair care routine. After watching many TV commercials, reading reviews, I am now ready to share my experience with this oil replacement cream. Now let's talk about its packaging. It comes in a tube that is very hygienic and convenient in use. Its price near about 150 rupees for 180 ml. It is very affordable in price. It is available at any local beauty stores and leading online websites also. First, I want to talk about their instructions of uses. First, rub a walnut size of Pantene oil replacement between the palm of your hand. Second, starting from the top, distribute evenly it through your hair along the length. No need to rinse off. That's why I stopped using this. Third, style your hair as usual and you are ready to go. They told about it can help to reduce your hair fall. I don't think so. Now, what I like about it is it has non-sticky formula. It spreads easily and you can smell a soft and pleasant fragrance after this application. It is ideal to use for both men and women also. It is affordable in price and it mainly helps to detangling your hair. But what I dislike about it is it does not live up to its high claim. Last but important, it is not suitable for thick, dry and frizzy hair. I again and again mentioned that it is not suitable for thick, dry and frizzy hair. I highly suggest that it would not be able to moisture or hair shine of mild hair types. It would be a wastage of products. Hope you guys all understand what I mean to say. If you like this helpful video, then click the thumbs up button and comment down below is it a helpful video or not, and give your opinion also about these products. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.